Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chief Electoral Officer ke Jela uba Frederick Roy Kharkongor habaya keren bat ke lat pathai khubor mentakasngi ka Shipotrik Ujemang halor ke Jingwan ki nong Thep vote ha ke election ha Sohïong constituency ulaong bakala poisha ka khandai puwei pon prapa hunyo na ka Shispa Haduh ka por henre baje janmet bat kani kalong ka Jingwan Thep vote ka bakham he banye ki weipat ki rukom Thep vote lada yanu jor ki election ki bara dem kabala poi Haduh khandai po point sapu hundreu na ka Shispa kabapen I bahas Sohïong ka khamkeu ka rukom wan Thep vote ki pait ba shisho na kalyang ba Kharkongor ula ongru baka jingya Thep vote kalong ka basingan bat ka bajai ha ka bagi nong Thep vote kili asimbenta songshin bat hagani ka kinti la saki baki kintai ki kham tambun ya ki shinrang haga jingya Thep vote ka jing Thep vote ka kham khlanya ka por min step but hadin ka kham suki ha ka por minsngi but janme kidon lai teli ki polling station ki baki patba ki le ami ban Thep vote ki bakin thom ya ka mamaram bi ka badan Haduh khandai po hundreu point sapu khandai na ka Shispa ka kharungoi khandai po hundreu point sapu san na ka Shispa but ka nonglingkin khandai po hundreu point lai pu pra na ka Shispa ki bade ki polling station ki ba he tam ki ba wan Thep vote kadba ka polling station ka baduna kadai ka rinli ka badan tang hunyo pulai pon arpu ar na ka Shispa bat ka bala ban keu hadin na ka Jingwan Thep ki pat ba shishu na kalyang uba Frederick ulaya thoru ba ka por arbaji ka kinhon pulit jong katanat excise hapo ka office to district electoral officer kilayo kem Haduh 6000 Shispa saulitar ka kian ka ba shongdor Haduh saulak tengka balayo ruban kem ya artli ki kali ki bakit ya kene ka kian kala don ru ka model polling station ha ka snong nong pathaw ha ka ba hagni ka snong lasdang ya ka kam ka ba ong Thep ka vote bat thung yi ki ding bat khna ki balong ki nong Thep vote ha ka sin ka ban kong le shimbenta songshit ka balong ru kum shibenta ka khubor ban penjerngam ya ka mai maryang.
At 6 p.m., the polling percentage stands at 91.87%. So 91.87% is the polling percentage. It's much higher than the previous polling percentage, which was 90.46. So there's a marked, increase in the polling percentage, which stands at 91.87%. There could be marginal increase slightly, but 91.87 is what is the polling percentage as at 6 p.m. So by and large, the entire polling process was very peaceful, and voters turned up in large numbers, as you've seen as is evident from the from the poll percentage. The participation of women was significant, as we all know that even against the total enrolled electorate of 34,783. Females accounted for 17,687 in terms of enrollment, and males at 17,096. So even in right from the enrollment also, the women voters they were much higher than the male counterparts, and also today in the participation also, women participation was significantly much higher. There was brisk polling in the morning and right through to the early part of noon, and then post noon things were a bit slower, but then it picked up again. But most of the polling took place during the early morning hours and in the first part of the day. So as per the figures that we have received, there are 3 polling stations, Maumaram B, Kharungoi, and Nonglinkmen. These 3 recorded in excess of 96%. Maumaram B was 96.49, Kharungoi was 96.45%, and the third polling station was 96.38%. So 3 polling stations recorded votes in excess of 96%. Till the time that we received the reports, the lowest polling station, in terms of voting percentage, was Rinli, which about 73.22%, but it would have increased, I think, because polling was still going on. Of course, now all 63 polling stations, polling has been closed. Of liquor, at 2 p.m., the team from the excise office of the district election officer and the excise branch and the excise department, they had seized about 1,104 liters of liquor. So this is a fairly large seizure, even if given the context of even one constituency, it's a fairly large seizure. In terms of monetary value, it is about 4 lakhs. So with this seizure, which is huge, with this huge seizure that was made today, together with the previous seizures, we had 346.970. So together with this, total cumulative seizure so far is 1,450.97 liters. So, but today's seizure on poll day was quite substantial. In fact, 2 vehicles had to. The liquor that was seized filled 2 vehicles. There was 60% webcasting, and from the office of the CEO and the office of the DO, the entire poll process was being monitored online through the webcasting, and we were able to view and to be able to monitor the entire poll process through the webcasting. 60% of the polling stations were covered via webcasting. Apart from that, there was a model polling station at a polling station called Nongpathao, which had this very unique initiative of cast a vote and plant a tree. So a lot of the young first-time voters, they enthusiastically participated in this exercise. It was also part of the green messaging, eco-friendly messaging, and also